Hello Internet, I'm Scott and this is a PLUGHITZ Live how-to. This one's a little different because right now it is 11:40 on Thanksgiving night. I have just returned from Walmart because you guys have been asking questions about how to make the Monster IlluminEssence single LED strip that was on sale for Black Friday for Thanksgiving night at Walmart this evening. Trying to make it work, and a lot of people are having trouble, and so I'm going to show you what you're supposed to do and then prove to you you're not crazy. All right, so first things first, we need to set up the strip itself. So we have, the strip has two sides. The front is the LEDs themselves. The back is the 3M tape. So we're going to use the front, and then we have the power cable, right? It has two sides, a blank side and a side with the Monster logo. We're going to take the Monster logo side and the front, and we're going to pair them together. The pins are going to go in, and that's all there is to it, okay? That's how you power them. Now, you'll notice that this side is a USB cable. You can power that off of a computer, a wall wart, if you've got a surge protector with USB. However you want to power them is fine. We are going to use a standard wall wart here. And so all I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in. And you know USB, you never get it right the first time. There we go, plugged in, and you will see that the LEDs are on. Now, that's not enough. The important next step, obviously, is configuring and getting the remote control to work. So, if you take the back panel off, I am going to turn these off so you can see. All right, so if you take the back panel off, two AAA batteries, flat side to the springs like always. Pop the thing back on. We're going to plug the lights back in. And theoretically, all you do is press the 0 to turn it off because it's binary. 1 is positive, is on, 0 is off. And you will see that mine is absolutely not turning off. Now, we've talked about this on a couple of other videos. The pairing process is supposed to be very easy on the IlluminEssence line of products. So, we grabbed the manual, which is very different from all the other manuals that we have used for the illumination products. They're normally very brightly colored and very large. This is different. So, it says to pair, plug the lights in, and within 5 seconds, press and hold the speed up button until the lights blink 3 times. Now, if you've watched our other pairing videos, including theoretically this same product before, you will know that that works. However, here is your proof that you guys are not crazy. Here's the speed up button. Here's the power. I'm going to plug in the power and hold the speed up button. And you will see that the lights are absolutely not blinking. And it does not appear to matter to the lights at all. So, if this is what you are experiencing, you are not alone. We have every other product in this product line, and it has worked successfully because we have one remote that turns on and off all of the Monster IlluminEssence products in our offices. And then we have other remotes for different areas of the office. This is not working. So, you're not crazy. What you're experiencing is normal. It's not appropriate, but it is normal. There appears to be some sort of a manufacturing issue with these products. My first indicator of that was during the unboxing video, I think, or after the unboxing video when I was testing these and I plugged them in the first time. The first LED in my string is a different color than all the other ones. It is kind of purple, and all the other ones are more direct white. So that indicated to me that there's a manufacturing problem here, and it seems to be bigger than just that. So If you purchase this from Walmart and they do not work, but you want these to work, there's two options. The first is to contact Monster. On the back of the package, there is an 877 number. It's 877-800-8989. I'm going to guess nobody's going to be there on Friday. I'm going to guess there's not going to be anybody there Saturday or Sunday. So you're going to have to give them a call on Monday. If they are not able to resolve the problem for you, take them back to Walmart. Maybe they'll have replacement units. Maybe there will be some sort of a deal where they'll give you the other IlluminEssence products for this price. I don't know. I can't make any guesses, but I know that Monster makes good on their product, and since this seems to be a failure of their product, the company is known for making good on it. So I would call the 877 number on Monday. As of right now, like I said, it's Thanksgiving night. Give them a call on Monday, and let's all see what we can do. If enough people call and make the same claim, maybe we can get this resolved. I'm also going to reach out to my press contacts for the company and see what I can find out. If I find out anything, I will put it in the comments on this video on YouTube. But with that, know that you are not alone. Yes, it does seem that everybody is experiencing this, including myself. So don't feel bad. Let's see if we can get it resolved. If you want to see our other how-to videos on the rest of the Monster IlluminEssence line, or you want to see our unboxing videos on this and a whole bunch of other products, or you want to see our weekly tech show, whatever you're looking for, you can always go to PLUGHITZlive.com. You'll see all of our shows there. If you want to see the unboxings, you can go to PLUGHITZlive.com/unboxed. If you want to see the how-tos, I bet you can guess, PLUGHITZlive.com/how-to. And with that, I'm going to go try and deal with this myself. And I guess I will see you guys next time. Ciao.